kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. Today, boys and girls, we are going to talk about number sense. And we are going to attempt to do this math concept in 5 minutes or less. So here we go. So, number sense, what does that mean? It means we make sense of numbers. Okay, there's so many different ways we can use number sense. We can use number sense when we add. We can use it when we subtract. We can use it to measure things. We can use it to count. Oh, we can use it to subtract. Did I say that already? I did say that already. I'm just so excited about number sense. And I have a few things here that will help you understand it a little bit better. Okay? All right, look. I have the number 5. You see my 5 there? Okay. Now, how can I make sense of the number 5? I have the number here, which is 5, right? I've spelled it out here. That word says 5, so that's 5. No matter which way we look at it, as a number or as the word, it's 5. But how are other ways that we can make 5 or make sense of 5? I have some things here that will make sense too. I have some blocks. I can count to the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It still makes 5. I have dominoes here. I can have little bitty dots that will also make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can make 5 by doing this. On this domino, I have 4. So how can I make 5? I add 1 more, no matter what, it's still 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh, I said we could subtract. What if I had 6 on my domino? How many would I need to take away to make what number? 5. If I just take 1 away, let me put it this way. 6 minus 1 is still 5. There's so many different ways I can make 5. I can even make 5 on my fingers. How many fingers do I need to hold up to make 5 fingers hold up? I know, we already told you the answer. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 5. So I can make 5 by number, by words, or by objects. I can make 5 by adding, by subtracting. I can measure 5. Let's see. Right now, on this one, how about the blue one? I have 1, 2, 3. And you see where 3 stacks up? If I add 2 more, oh, come on. If I move it, I've added another one. How about I do another one? And my 5 measurement here is longer than when I just had 3. I can measure 5. There's so many different ways to make 5, right? You could do the same thing with 7. I have 7 as a word. I write the number 7. Then I can make 7 blocks. Let's count 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Stay up, block. It's not acting right today, is it? Okay. All right. There it is. 5, 6, and 7. So I have 7 blocks. So I've counted them. I have the word 7. I have the number 7. I can hold up 7 fingers. 5, we just counted. 6 and 7. I have 7, right? So there's so many different ways that we can make sense of numbers. Now I have an activity for you, boys and girls. Right here you see that I have the number 5. But guess what? I am going to take the number 5 off of here. Come on off, number 5. And you can do this at home. You can make the number 5 and make it with some spaces inside and then put lines to break it up. And what you're going to do is have a number 5 puzzle. I can take scissors. Now, these are grown-up scissors, boys and girls. You have to use the ones that's just for you. And I can cut my 5 into different segments. And on each one, I can have a 5 on each one of my puzzle pieces. I can have 5. And that's the word 5. I can make number sense in so many different ways. There's a domino with 5, 4 plus 1, that can add it, and I can subtract it. But you can do that, and then, I'm not cutting it all. So, and then you can put the 5 back together again. What do you think about that? All right. That's what we're talking about. All right, so you get the idea. Put the 5 right back together again. All right, boys and girls, thank you for being here with me today. And I thank you, International Paper Foundation, for making our Math Minutes happen. I also want you to make sure that you go to our website at pbslearningmedia.org, and you can find all kinds of things about number sense, but make yours make sense. I didn't add that on there, but you can do the same thing with the 7. You can find all kinds of activities, you can find videos, you can find so many different things about number sense. And I also want you to do something else for me. If you take pictures of you doing the activities, then give me a line. Just drop a line to me at WKNOteacher@gmail.com, and that goes directly to me. I'd love to see the kind of things that you're doing, boys and girls. And don't forget to tune in next week, because we'll have some more good Math Minute stuff too, okay? And thank you again for being here, and I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? So until next time, Teacher says bye-bye.